Polygon is an Indonesian bicycle brand with its headquarters in Europe. The Cascade series, a hardtail MTBs from Polygon, is meant for trails and rough urban roads. We got the opportunity to test ride the Cascade 4, and here is what we thought. The Polygon Cascade 4 is built on a full alloy frame. This frame geometry is inspired from XC MTBs with a slanting top tube and a taller build, which gives the bicycle more ground clearance. The thin seat and chainstays are strong enough to withstand the vibrations from surface at the rear half of the frame, but they mainly contribute towards lowering the overall weight of the frame. As a hardtail MTB, the Cascade 4 comes with Suntour XCM front suspension forks with a 100mm travel and a preload adjuster. This suspension fork worked well both on the trail and rough roads and was able to absorb vibrations and ensured the rider was comfortable across any terrain. The Cascade 4 comes in a light green colored frame with dark green as the secondary color for the text and graphic. The gloss finish paint job was of top-notch quality. The color-coded rims and saddle made the bicycle aesthetic in appearance and is sure to make heads turn. The Polygon Cascade 4 comes with a unique combination of Shimano Tourney at the rear and Shimano Altus at the front as derailleurs. This is unique because usually when there is a component mix in the drivetrain, the lower rank component is in the front and the higher rank component at the rear, thus making the smaller gears change better at the rear. In this case, the Altus at the front has actually made the bigger gears jump easy and smooth to change with absolutely no lag. Altus and Tourney are entry-level MTB components, but they perform well for flat trail riding and urban commuting. The 24-speed trigger shifters were easy to use. Braking on the Polygon Cascade 4 is taken care of by Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. These brakes were powerful and felt balanced and are useful especially when you're riding in wet weather and need reliable braking performance for stopping during fast-paced trail rides. The V Rubber 27.5 into 2.1 MTB tires on the Cascade 4 are heavily treaded and are supported by double-walled alloy rims. The treads on these tires are massive for 27.5 standards, making it generate a lot of traction even on wet trails. This MTB with its smooth 100mm suspension fork and powerful Tektro hydraulic disc brakes makes for a perfect bicycle to start your trail riding experience. The slanting top tube and wide saddle makes this hardtail MTB comfortable to ride on both urban roads and trails. The Polygon Cascade 4 2021 is an ideal choice to consider for anyone looking to get an MTB to venture into trail riding.